Alright, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do the demo trading on Bybit. This is your home screen on Bybit. Once you log into your app, this is what you're going to see. So right here you see what they call demo trading. So all you have to do is click on it and you're welcome to demo trading. Okay, so what you basically want to do, you want to learn how to trade spot and derivatives. So this is spot option right here, and the second one is derivative. Okay, so I'll just explain the difference between spot and derivative. So spot allows you to buy and hold. When the price goes up, you sell. Just like you buy gold, let's say you bought gold at $2,000, and when it goes to $4,000, you sell it and you make a profit. So that is spot trading. So you can buy any of these pairs, crypto pairs, at their current price, or you set a lower price in case it drops a little, and when the price goes up, you sell. And it's not every time it goes up immediately, so you might need to hold and hold and hold for some time before it goes up, before you now sell. Okay, sometimes it can go down after you bought, and then you wait and wait until it goes back up. So that's spot trading. Derivative trading or perpetual, this is where you I don't want to use the word predict, but as a new trader, it's the word you can easily understand. It's like predicting that, okay, I've done my analysis, this price is about to go up, then you long, that's what we call long. You buy it and predict that it will go up. If it goes up in your favor, you make profits. If it goes against you, you lose. And you can also predict that it will drop. So if it drops in your favor, you make profit. If you say to drop and it goes up, you make loss. So that is what we call short. So you're going to learn more about this in details. So let's go back to the home. So right here you see your balance, your total assets. Bybit is going to give you funds that you can use to trade on the demo. So this fund is complete paper money, virtual money. You cannot withdraw it, you can lose it all, you can turn it to $1 million plus, but you cannot withdraw it. So when you lose it all, you request for another one, then you continue trading. Okay, so this is basically demo trading. So in the next video I'll show you how to place a trade on spot and how to place a trade on derivatives. So see you in the next video.